not be winter yet, but we saw record-breaking temperatures overnight, and the dangerously cold weather is here to stay. That means your furnace might be putting in some extra work over the next few months to keep your house warm. Bob Hudson's Heating and Cooling Company has been busy this week with calls from desperate customers for furnace repairs and maintenance during this cold snap. He told us that there's a few things that homeowners can do to make sure their furnace is in tip-top shape and they aren't left in the cold this winter.
Number one, you check your filters, make sure they're clean. Number two, it's good to call the guy that put it in or somebody to come out and check your system at least once in the winter time, somewhere in October, November, and then once in the springtime. You think you've got problems with your furnace, get a carbon monoxide detector and locate it above a supply vent close, and that'll be a detector. If that thing starts going off, you know you got problems with exhaust or something in the heat exchanger.
Hudson explained that if your furnace quits on you, you run the risk of freezing your pipes and you should call a professional before flooding occurs.